In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your American Express credit card statements. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them on the website or the mobile app, how to open or download past statements, and how to confirm them via email, all in a clear and simple flow. Let's start by signing into your American Express account, either on the official website in your browser or through the mobile app. Use your regular login details on a secure network and make sure you're on the authentic American Express site or app before entering any information. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From the dashboard, select the credit card account you want to review. If you have more than one card with American Express, take a quick moment to choose the specific card you're interested in. This ensures the statements you see match the card you plan to track for spending, budgeting, or record keeping. After the correct card is open, look for the Statements and Activity section. On desktop, it's typically a tab near the top of the page. On the mobile app, it may appear within a menu or under an account details area. This is where your monthly billing statements live alongside your recent transactions. If you're browsing transactions, remember that your official monthly statement is a separate document that captures your full billing period, including the closing balance and payment due dates. From there, you can view, open, or download your monthly statements going back up to 2 years. Choose the month you want, then open the statement to see a PDF version. If you prefer a copy for your records, select the download option and save it somewhere secure with a clear file name like the month and year. Keeping a small archive can be helpful for taxes, reimbursements, or tracking annual spending trends. Keep in mind that availability can vary by account, and the list will show the months currently provided online. You can also check your email inbox since American Express sends monthly statements to your registered email address. Search your inbox for messages from American Express and review the official statement notification. If you don't see it, look in your spam or promotions folders and make sure your registered email address is current in your account settings so you continue receiving these updates reliably. And that's it. Log in, choose your card, open Statements and Activity, view or download the month you need, and confirm the statement in your email if that's more convenient. You now know exactly how to check your American Express credit card statements.